Hello everyone, my name is Jordan Pakula, and this is my demo video for the multi-map exporter in ZBrush. Here is the model that I will be demoing with. It's just a little character that I made. It's got a play-painted map on it. That's what we'll be exporting in through here, and it also has some detail in it, that little bumps to the skin a little bit as well. It's got multiple levels of subdivision on it. So, just scrolling through here, the most important thing to do starting off with is going to your UV map and checking to see if it is working properly. If you don't have proper UV set up, it won't work. It will just show that the the maps have been exported, but nothing will actually appear in the folder. So just clicking that, you can see that everything is laid out correctly. Just clicking it again will send it back, so that's good. After UVs are set up well and we're certain of that, we can go up to Z plugin and scroll down to here at multi-map exporter. Just click on that. So first thing is that this is a list of the different maps that you can get through using this tool. For this character, I'm just going to keep displacement, normal, and texture and ambient occlusion as well. I'll skip over this for a second and we'll come back to it since that's the final step. The subtool section right here helps you by just mapping all the subtools at once, not just one at a time. The merge maps will actually merge the maps for different subtools if they're laid out together in the proper way. Below here is the presets for different sizes that you can do. It has a little scroll thing right here. Right now I'm just going to leave it at 2048. Flip V just flips the orientation of your maps once they're exported. This smooths your UVs, your maps as they are exported. So the export options, excuse me, here it is. Scrolling through here, the export options are mainly just for the actual naming conventions of your maps. You can change certain things like the actual file names. You can see the estimated time for the thing. If I click here, it says 9 seconds. Sometimes it's right on the ball with that, but other times it can fluctuate a little bit. This one will switch your target mesh, your morph target, as it says on here. But these are all just little things to help you with your exporting. Well, back up here when you click Create All Maps, you'll see it's just it'll come up and it'll ask for a location for it. I've already got a location planned out for mine. It's just in this little file called Maps. And if I click on it and I go Save, it will actually go through the whole process, and it'll go through the ambient occlusion and all that stuff. If I come through here, it'll show, if I go to my maps file, you can see it is, I open them all up, you can see my ambient occlusion and my normal map and my actual texture map. So you can just see it works really well for getting multiple maps at one time. It's a pretty simple process overall, not too much to it. So it's really useful. One side note that I did notice, if you're having issues with exporting it, just a little troubleshooting information, if your maps, or at least your texture maps, or your polypaint is not exporting properly, try merging layers if you've been using them. And if it's still not working, you can go to texture map, and I believe it was new texture that I used, and it actually made it work when I was actually trying to generate my maps. So it was really helpful overall. Just a little bit of extra information there. But as a whole, the multi-map export tool is actually very helpful. really helps when trying to figure out and export each of the maps all together. So it's especially when you're having multiple subtools. Like I could have had these two together if I had the UVs laid out properly for both. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye bye.